performance?
I just couldn't let the refs dictate my energy today. Today was a must win to get us advanced to the playoffs, and I was very confident. I had to come get the lesson that I had.
Now, Mike, as you also polish your game in preparation for the playoffs, what other opportunities are you seeing that you can more or less build on, be able to complement the Eagles with good depth?
Defense, really. I believe if I play defense good enough, offense will dictate itself. The ball will go in the basket, but that's what we do on defense. That's what I would say.
If you might know, you might open the floor for friends for the media.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
All roads lead.
At one point, you guys were on the brink of elimination, but you guys faced it off from what's the turning point of this big season turnaround for you guys?
Just getting in the gym, putting in the extra work, and just believing and having the ultimate confidence that we can come out and still have a chance to go to the playoffs. And it's not over. So as long as we got a chance to fight, we can change it.
So still, this win, I believe assured that I will play off.
Yeah, we're shooting a playoff depending on the game on Friday. So may playoff kami, pero it can be outright or it can be playoff depending on the game on Friday.
But rin maalaw kasi kahit regardless of the situation, just you'll play another game.
Sorry?
You'll play another game.
We play another game. Pero yung game naman yun is either playoff or we're in the quarterfinals already. So, we'll take this. Basta may chance naman kami. So, because earlier 2 weeks ago, we were in the brink of elimination. Pero ngayon, may chance kami. So, we'll take this.